You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce the name of the city located in Tunisia. If you want to learn how to pronounce more capital city names, more names from the area that are confusing, stay tuned. There are more videos that you'll want to learn from. There are two different videos, pronunciations that are correct here. Tunis or Tunis, alright? So it's either just a T sound, Tunis, not Tunis, no, generally Tunis, or some say it also as Tunis, and I believe the British English pronunciation, so the more maybe common pronunciation in the UK is as Tunis, with a ch sound, Tunis or Tunis. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.